Here are some fascinating facts about Oribi. Species profile. The Ourebi is a small antelope found across Africa, mainly in grasslands and savannas. Appearance. Oribis have a slender body with a light brown coat, white underparts, and a short tail with a black tip. Size. They stand about 50 to 66 centimeters 20 to 26 in at the shoulder and weigh between 12 to 22 kilograms 26 to 49 pounds. Lifespan. In the wild, Oribis live up to 10 to 14 years, and longer in captivity. Distinctive markings. They have white eyebrows above their eyes, giving them a distinctive expression. Horns. Oribis males have horns, which are slender and measure about 8 to 18 centimeters 3 to 7 in long. Diet. Oribis are herbivores, feeding on grasses, herbs, and sometimes leaves. Water requirements. They can survive without water for extended periods, getting moisture from their diet. Social structure. They are often seen in pairs or small family groups, although some individuals are solitary. Territorial. Male Oribis are territorial and use dung piles to mark their territory boundaries. Grazing patterns. They are primarily grazers but will occasionally browse depending on the season and food availability. Habitat. They prefer open grasslands and savannas and are often found near water sources. Speed. Oribis can run at impressive speeds to escape predators, reaching up to 50 km/h 31 miles per hour. Jumping ability. Known for their agility, they can leap over 2 meters 6.5 feet in a single bound. Predators. They are preyed upon by large carnivores like lions, leopards, and hyenas. Vigilance. Oribis are very alert animals and are often the first to spot predators. Defense mechanism. When threatened, they make high-pitched alarm calls to alert others. Camouflage. Their light brown coat helps them blend into the grassy landscapes they inhabit. Mating season. The mating season varies by region, typically during the rainy season. Gestation. Female Oribis have a gestation period of about 6.5 to 7 months. Offspring. Usually, a single calf is born and hidden for the first few weeks. Growth rate. Calves grow rapidly, joining their mother after a few weeks for grazing. Parental care. Mothers are attentive, protecting and nursing their calves until they're old enough to fend for themselves. Population threats. Habitat loss and poaching are primary threats to Oribi populations. Conservation status. They are listed as least concern, but some regional populations are under threat. Ecological role. Oribis play a role in maintaining grassland ecosystems by grazing and dispersing seeds. Communication. They use scent and visual signals to communicate within their social group. Horns function. Males use their horns for sparring during territorial disputes. Symbiotic relationship. Birds like oxpeckers often clean Oribis of parasites. Diurnal activity. Oribis are mostly active during the day, particularly in the early morning and late afternoon. Seasonal migration. They do not migrate but may shift territories slightly with seasons. Adaptability. Despite habitat loss, Oribis adapt to various landscapes, provided there is grass cover. Sensitive hearing. They have an acute sense of hearing, helping them detect predators. Eyesight. Oribis have excellent vision, crucial for spotting distant dangers. Coloration purpose. Their coloration provides camouflage, essential for evading predators. Grooming habits. They groom regularly to maintain their coat, reducing parasite load. Dung heaps. They create dung piles, not only marking territory but also attracting other animals. Parasites. Oribis are susceptible to ticks and other parasites, especially in dense vegetation. Rare vocalizations. They are generally quiet, vocalizing mainly during threats. Courtship behavior, males display to females by trotting and prancing to show strength. Hoof structure, their hoofs are adapted for quick, agile movement across different terrains. Feeding time, they spend much of their day grazing to meet their nutritional needs. Role in food chain, as prey animals, they support large carnivores and contribute to ecosystem balance. Salt licks, they're occasionally seen at salt licks, which provide essential minerals. Distinct scent, Oribis have scent glands below their eyes, which help in marking territories. Population density, they tend to have low population densities compared to other antelope. Resilient to climate, they can survive in areas with variable climates as long as grass is available. Poaching impact, poaching for bushmeat significantly impacts Oribi populations. Behavioral adaptations, they freeze when threatened, relying on their camouflage. Young survival, high predation rates on young Oribis mean few survive to adulthood. Unique prance, their leaping prance when startled is known as stotting or pronking. Fur texture, their short fur provides minimal insulation but helps with temperature regulation.